My name is Charlotte Bridgeman. I am originally from Melbourne, Australia, and live in New York City now. And I am a content creator. So we're here today filming the LTK commercial, which I'm very excited to be part of. I've never done anything like this before, so it's all very new and exciting. But we're pretty much showing how us creators are a trusted source of where to shop from, because we've tried so many things over the years. We've all had mishaps, which is kind of what we're showing on the commercial. When I found out I was picked for the commercial, it was a very surreal feeling. I've gone in this with no expectations. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't have any acting experience whatsoever. But I do think that, you know, showing my realness on my Instagram and all my other channels, I feel like that kind of is preparation. LTK definitely puts creators first. I mean, I've been doing this for 10 years or so now, and I've always used LTK. I've built some amazing connections with not only other influencers, but my followers. And I feel like we have such a good rapport going, and they know that they can reach out to me. Yeah, if you're a creator and you're not on LTK, I just don't understand why you wouldn't be. They've really helped the content creation influencer space grow into what it is today. It's just an integral part of my business. LTK, style you can trust.